electoral photo identity cards, EPIC cards. You don't receive this EPIC card. Like you have a driving license, so you also have an EPIC card. I think you should must check again also. Find how many of you have been enrolled as a voter. So what we will do is basically, there are very simple step today. Okay, there is a voter helpline app. So I request all of you to basically download that voter helpline app. Today only, all of you are having smartphones? Yes, sir. Google Play Store, all of you must be having? Yes, so kindly go and download the voter helpline app. Immediately kindly download it. It will just take 2 minutes. You are having smartphones here or you not have? There is a, first they have been asked, basically search your name in the electoral roll. So if you are having your EPIC ID, you can basically enter that EPIC ID and you can search your name. Else you can go to the option of the new voter registration. So in that new voter registration, you will receive the option of Form 6. So you can get yourself enrolled as a Form 6, and as soon as you get enrolled as a Form 6, our ERO, basically, so many of you will be from many other places also. So irrespective of app, and after downloading, after this, you can also flash your mobile phone where you have downloaded the voter helpline app. So that will be basically this finishing of the process of the downloading of the voter helpline app. I will also ask a question from all of you. So how many of you are from Medak district? So I think you all must have been very motivated after seeing this video. मैं भारत हूँ, भारत मेरे लिए. So that is basically the importance of that video, and how to ensure is by exercising the right of the vote. So if you are just aware about the Constitution of India, the architect of the Indian Constitution was Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So he mentioned this very important point in the Constitution, that every person who attains the 18 years of age, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, ethnicity, any differences should not be there when it comes to the point of the exercising of the right to vote. If you compare across other democracies, so there are many democracies. USA is a democracy, then China is also one type of democracy. Our neighboring states are also practicing democracy. But the first democracy where this exercise of right to vote was initiated, irrespective of any discrimination, is the Indian democracy. Because in USA also, there all persons, all caste, all creed, they did get the right of exercise the vote. So earlier what happened? There black people, they were not allowed to cast the vote. But in India, such kind of thing was not there. So there were differences in other democracies, but in our democracy, in Indian democracy, such kind of differences never came when it comes to the point of exercising the right to vote. So you know that on 25th January, every 25th January, we celebrate National Voters Day. Why we celebrate National Voters Day? Because the Election Commission of India was formed on the 25th January 1950. So Election Commission of India from 1950 till today, we have been successfully conducting every election. It can be local body elections. So for that statutory post, I have to look after the 2 assembly constituencies. So in Medak district, there are 2 assembly constituencies. One is Medak assembly constituency, one is Narsapur assembly constituency. There are also part assembly constituencies also in our district. So there are other 4 part assembly constituencies. Like one assembly constituency is Andol, one is Narayan Khet, one is Dupaka, and one is Gajwel. So there are 4 part assembly constituencies also in our district, but those are looked after by other DOs. So DO Siddipet and DO Sangareddy, they also look after those assembly constituencies. So when we were having a discussion, so we are having a mobile EVM demonstration counter, which is the best place where we can ensure the maximum participation. We came to a conclusion that BVRIT is one of the best places where we can have this mobile EVM demonstration counter, because it is one of the best platform in our district. As just earlier our sweep nodal officer has communicated, So in the electoral literacy clubs, in the campus ambassador, this college has come out with flying colors because of the active participation of all the students and active coordination and cooperation with the district administration. So such higher strength and that also such active students are there in our district, which is present in the BVRIT. So we came to a conclusion that we should definitely have a mobile EVM demonstration center in this college. So just 2 days ago we came up with this idea, and our sweep nodal officer and our local RDO, he contacted the management, and the management also came forward very happily, and today we are conducting this program.
Okay, thank you.